Hello everybody. So this is a Toshiba laptop with Windows 7. So my goal is to restore Windows to its factory default. Okay, so first of all I need to use the power button to turn it on first. Okay, that's okay, it's turning on, and during the turning on I need to press the F8 button. Keep pressing. Okay, keep pressing the F8 button. Keep pressing. Okay, so we got this menu and we choose the first one, repair your computer, and it will load the repair menu for us. Here's the repair menu. You choose your language and you need to log in, okay? If you forgot your password, you need to check my another video how to reset password for Windows system. And on this repair, or it's called system recovery option menus, so you choose the last one, Toshiba recovery wizard. So this wizard will guide you to restore your system to default, factory default. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe and comment my video. Have a good day.